Okay, I'm back at Commission Junction once again. I'm logged in. I'm looking at the same company that we looked at before, this Direct Gardening. And now I want to show you another way to find affiliates. And it's kind of a nasty little trick, actually, that not many people know of. And it works really, really well. See, a lot of times to kind of be kind of a detective and a sleuth and to find things on the internet, you just kind of got to put your thinking cap on and think of some unique ways to find things out and discover the information that you're really looking for. And so if we're looking, let's say, for affiliates that are promoting this company, let's say, and we want to find them so we can hopefully recruit them to promote our stuff, because that's the goal here. And we're thinking, okay, how do we find those links? Well, we can try to do the link technique, which I just talked about, where you can find out who's linking to who. And then if they're doing it through Commission Junctions, kind of longer links, sometimes you can't find those very well. You can find some of them. But we're thinking, what are some other ways to find affiliates that are promoting things? Well, here's kind of a sneaky way to find it. And I kind of watch this. If we click text link, for example, this one program, you can do this with any program in your market and find stuff. Here's the description of the text link. Just directgardening.com, quality plants at great prices. And then that link, that will turn into a link and, link to the site. And actually, it's longer. It's offers quality plants at great prices. Come see what we mean. So a lot of their affiliates are probably just copying, pasting this and using it in different areas just as a text link where it doesn't look like an ad, which a lot of people have discovered on the internet, the less something looks like an ad, the more attention it gets, because people have learned to kind of tune out banner ads and flashing ads, and they don't always perform as well as they used to because people are getting just pounded with advertising. So text, in many cases, works a lot better. That's why AdSense, of course, and AdWords works really, really well. But this is the text ad they're giving people. So watch this. Okay, well, I'm going to just copy and paste this. I'm going to jump back over to Google. I'm going to search for this text string, or it's just part of the ad. You could use the whole thing or just part of it. And I'm going to put it within quotes. So I only want to see pages that are in Google's index that have this exact phrase just like this. And so, of course, you can do this with any text string. And so if we do a search, we come up with 3,750 results with that exact string. And look, directgardening.com, quality plants at great prices. Directgardening.com, quality plants at great prices. In almost every case we're finding here, here's one that's not. See, they just happen to use that in a sentence. Area means that we provide quality plants at great prices. So that wasn't one. But all of these, are. And of course, we could have put that in there, the domain name as well. But oftentimes, people will change it a little bit or tweak it. Maybe they don't want to mention the domain because they don't want people just going over there and bypassing their affiliate link. So they'll only use the text part of it and just make it a link to the site. So you got to put your thinking cap on. Search for different parts of text strings. So if you can find text ads for any program, you can find who's running the text, because that's what gets indexed in search engines, unlike images and what the images actually say. They're not easy to find. If certain people are naming their banners, affiliate banner 1, and that's actually in the HTML they give people to use, and because affiliates are lazy, they just copy and paste to make the banner appear. You can use an image search and find those as well, but text string searching is much more powerful. So just look at all these affiliates we're finding just by searching for the text string. And because of how Google actually works, we can probably find a lot more affiliates doing text string search than doing that who's linking to who search, because Google doesn't always let you see all the incoming links. That's kind of how they protect their algorithm, actually, is they stop you from finding where all the links are coming from. So you can't totally reverse engineer the algorithm and figure out how someone's ranking high. But with text strings, they want you to be able to find all the different text strings in their search engine, because that's what they're for, is to help you find the information you're looking for. And with their own syntax of being able to put things in quotes so it'll be shown exactly in the same order and exactly like how you format it there, that's very, very powerful. So You can poke around affiliate programs. You can take their text ads, search for their strings or parts of their strings within quotes, and whoops, you can find the majority of their affiliates that are indexed in Google. It's a very, very valuable trick and a valuable concept. And if you didn't know it, that one concept alone is worth way more than what you paid for this course. So make sure to make a note of it and make sure to regularly be using this trick to find affiliate programs in your market.